Your love is unshakable. One, two, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yo, 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 yo.
I see God. If that amen is louder, so shall it be. The first service we look at understanding the power of faith.
Guys, church was perfect. Can't wait to show you guys my birthday gifts. Like, damn, I got hands. Like, I'm so excited. I'm most excited for this, but at the same time I'm excited for this. Like, I've been wanting a frame for this space. Like, here is so blank, like it's so blank, and I want something that will elevate it. I love it. I love it. So you're going to see it more tomorrow, and it's like it's glowing, like it glows in the dark. Can you see the material? So I took away this other one and dropped it here. When I get like the standing mirror, I'm going to take this one to this place. There's going to be a whole lot. You guys will see it.
This is my jam. Like, they're cool. They look really natural.
Guys, I'm so bored. Like, not like I'm bored, but like I don't have any movie to watch. Like, please people to recommend movie for me. Like, I'm currently watching YouTube, but like I need like a series, like a Korean series. If you have any, I'm hitting water. I want to bathe with warm water because I'm trying to be less shy, I guess, and start embracing like talking to the camera. So guys, I'm super grateful for my birthday. My birthday went really nice, more than I expected it. Actually, I got gifts from my friends. I was sent money and a lot. You guys are going to see it before I say this, obviously, because the vlog is before this. So I'm also excited for a PR package I'm going to be expecting tomorrow. A vendor wants to work with me, so I'm super excited for that. Like, that's actually making me feel like, oh, I'm seen, people like what I do and stuff like that. So I'm going to keep pushing because I know this thing is going to lead to something for me. I know God has a plan for me with this, so I'm super excited for that. And if you have seen before, earlier in the video, I changed the setting of my frame. I'm going to be changing my mirror soon. Not this type, the one that has like black coating and like there is no square shape actually. So that's what I just came here to say, and I'm about to go to bed. I'm about to take my bath, watch YouTube if I don't end up seeing a series to start watching, and go to bed. We have a lot to do tomorrow. I might go and pick up the package. I need to create content. For the rest of the week tomorrow, hopefully. So yeah, bye. Damn guys, this is so cute. Exposing this, I learned on TikTok. So I want to do that long. So you open it up. When you open it up, size in there. try to. This is gonna be difficult. So she said, put this here. I don't know how this will go. She's going further, adding more. So guys, this is how it's looking. This is my first time share. I saw it on TikTok, so we are trying it. Hopefully it comes out a little bit like the fan. I'm going to be taking this off right now. Just keep it like this.